Here we have a problem on composition of two functions. That is, if the composition of two functions and the outside function are given, how to find the inside function. So here we have a composition of two functions, that is f dot g, that is equal to 2x, and the outside function f of x is here, that is x positive 3, and we have to find the inside function g of x. Okay, now let me take the outside function f of x, that is f of x equals to x positive 3. Okay, in this outside function, I'm going to replace x on both sides by g of x. Let me write it. Replace x by g of x on both sides. So when I do so, I'm getting f of g of x. So here I replace this x by g of x. On the right side also, this x has to be replaced by g of x. So we get g of x positive 3. Okay, now let me write the formula for composition of two functions. That is f dot g equals to f of g of x. So this is a formula we have to find the composition of two functions f and g. So here we find f of g of x, whatever stuff we have in the formula on the right side. So the same stuff we have over here. So instead of this f of g of x, we can write this f dot g. So let me write it over here. So instead of this f of g of x, we can write f dot g, that is composition of two functions f and g, equals to g of x positive 3. Okay, so in the question we have the stuff which is equivalent to f dot g, that is 2x. So what we can do is we can plug in this 2x for this f dot g. So let me plug in. So 2x equals to g of x positive 3. Okay, our aim is to find the inside function. Inside function is in the composition of two functions. So g of x is inside. So to get g of x, what I have to do is I have to solve for g of x in this equation. So for that I have to get rid of this positive 3. So let me subtract 3 from both sides. When I do so, this positive 3 and negative 3 will cancel. I'm getting 2x negative 3 equals to g of x, or the same thing can be written as g of x equals to 2x negative 3. So now I got the inside function g of x, that is equal to 2x negative 3.